McDonald's USA and Entertainment Studios Network / The Weather Group, ESN, have settled a pending advertising litigation, bringing an end to a high-profile dispute that could have had significant repercussions for the fast food giant. The settlement, which was reached on June 13, 2025, averts a trial that was scheduled for July 15, 2025, in Los Angeles federal court. The lawsuit, which was initially pegged at $10 billion, accused McDonald's of racial discrimination in its advertising practices, specifically alleging that the company relegated ESN to a smaller advertising budget because it was perceived as a media outlet targeting solely Black viewers. McDonald's had pledged in 2021 to increase national advertising spending with Black-owned media from 2% to 5% by 2024, but ESN claimed that the company did not follow through on this commitment. Under the terms of the settlement, McDonald's will continue to purchase advertising from ESN at market value, aligning with its strategic and commercial goals. The confidential agreement also involves ESN dropping its lawsuit against McDonald's in the U.S. District Court for the Central District of California. McDonald's has not admitted to any wrongdoing and maintains its commitment to inclusion and diversity. Both parties have expressed satisfaction with the settlement. McDonald's stated that it is pleased to have reached a mutually beneficial commercial arrangement with ESN, while ESN acknowledged McDonald's commitment to investing in Black-owned media properties and increasing access to opportunity. This resolution not only helps McDonald's avoid prolonged legal scrutiny, but also aligns with its ongoing diversity and inclusion pledges. The company's business model continues to demonstrate resilience, driven by strategic execution across value, innovation, and operational efficiency. With a strong growth narrative and moderate growth outlook, McDonald's is well-positioned to navigate industry and macro headwinds. The settlement is a win-win for both parties, allowing them to focus on their respective goals and objectives. McDonald's can continue to prioritize its diversity and inclusion initiatives, while ESN can look forward to a continued partnership with the fast food giant. The terms of the settlement may be confidential, but the positive outcome is clear. A major corporation and a prominent media company have come together to forge a mutually beneficial path forward. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.